Meaning of hunger.
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 Hunger. Hunger refers to the physical sensation of discomfort or weakness caused by a lack of food. It is the body's way of signaling that it requires nourishment. Hunger can also be used in a metaphorical sense to refer to a strong desire or craving for something. In either case, hunger is a powerful and instinctive drive that motivates us to seek out sustenance. Without adequate food, our bodies cannot function properly, and we become vulnerable to a range of health issues. Thus, satisfying our hunger is essential for our survival and well-being.